If I let it roll on, if I let her get away, I'll spend my life regretting this day. Why she loves me, I just can't understand, but it makes me proud just to be her man. If I let it roll on, if I let her get away, I'll spend my life regretting this day. Why she loves me, I just can't understand, but it makes me proud just to be her man. I thought it would last forever. I thought love shined through all kinds of weather, but forever is no more. Since she walked out that door, whiskey bottles and pills by my side, trying so hard not to cry. I said some things I really can't explain, but now she's leaving on a midnight train. Well, I made up my mind this time, I'm gonna let my emotions show. Everything I'm feeling deep inside, I want the girl to know how I feel when she's in my arms. King of the world captured by her charm. How I feel she's beside me. King of the world, that's how I wanna be. I'm gonna take a chance on love and win her back some way, somehow. I'm gonna take a chance on us and win her back, win her back. I'm gonna go down to that railroad station, let her know just how I feel. I'm gonna go as far as breaking up my heart to prove my love is real. If I let her roll on, if I let her get away, I'll spend my life regretting this day. Now she loves me, I just don't understand, but it makes me proud just to be her man. If I let it roll on, if I let her get away, I'll spend my life regretting this day. If I let it roll on, if I let her get away.